Welcome back to this episode of Atomic Bytes, and in this episode we're going to look at a script here to edit, and we're adjusting our on-controller collider hit method. We're going to add the ability to keep track of how many boxes have been collected by the player in the game scene. So I'm just putting in a comment here to display how many boxes the player has collected. And then the script that we need is GameObject.find. And this is a message that we want to display in our UI user message display box for our UI canvas. So that's going to go in our double quotes. And then we're going to get the component, which is the TMP text component. And that is parentheses dot text. And then we're going to go ahead and after this, that is going to set the message. So we need an equal sign to get the value of what we want to display in our UI user message box. So in double quotes, you collected. And I'm leaving a space there at the end. The score is going to tell us the number of boxes we collected, so we're going to use our score variable here and concatenate this into a string of information to display in our UI user message. And this is boxes. Could be singular or plural. And then don't forget to end your statement with the semicolon. Nice. Now we need to move down and get rid of the current UI user message that's displaying. And in this case, this is down on line 55 here. So I'm just going to go ahead and comment this out. If you feel more comfortable, you can delete it. I'm just going to comment it out so it doesn't run. And then we'll go over to the Unity editor and take a look at testing our script in the game mode. So here we've got our timer running. We've got our boxes over here. And I'm just going to go sideways and collect our first box. It tells me that you collected one box. I've got 2 boxes, 3 boxes, and then the 4th box changes our level. So that'll do it. Thanks for watching this episode.